Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a metronome properly, and this will be a full tutorial for beginners. Once again, the title and the topic for this video is the following. In this specific video, and I'm saying it for the last time, I promise, then we're going to get right into the actual tutorial. In this specific video, I will be showing you and telling you specifically how to use a metronome properly, and this will be a full tutorial for beginners. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Now, with that long outro out of the way, what I have here is my metronome, and we recently got this. I play the piano. My wife doesn't play the piano, but I play the piano. I play lots of instruments. My wife doesn't really play anything now for the most part in terms of instruments and stuff, but I play lots of instruments, and we have 4 kids that play the piano as well. So the piano teacher that we use said, "Can you get a metronome?" I said, "Sure," and we got this one. I do we have a piano teacher that teaches them, but I do the practice with them. Like I said, because I'm the, between my wife and I, I'm the music person, so I do the piano practice with them. Okay, so even though we just got this metronome recently, okay, I grew up with a metronome. My dad is an amazing musician, so I grew up with a metronome in the house, and I'm well versed on how to use it. So yeah, basically this is how to use a metronome, just like this one. Really easy to do. So as you can see, right now it's locked in place. So it's in the sort of like the stop position over here. As you can see, it's locked in place. I actually think I just discovered, wow, I thought you had to bend it to put it away. I just realized that there's a little slot here. I didn't even know that. So I even learned something new right now. So basically, right now it's closed. Okay, it's off. To turn it on, you're gonna want to take this little metal sort of rod, and you want to remove it from its holder, which I thought you had to sort of bend it to get it out, but now I realize you can just slide it to the side. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove it from the holder like that. And what's gonna happen is when it's nice and level, it's gonna go back and forth. Just give it a start, and it goes back and forth. Okay? Very simple. That is your metronome. If it's on a nice level surface, it should keep a nice beat. Okay? This slider right here, if you bring it higher up, you're gonna hear it's slower. Okay? And if you bring it lower down, it's faster. You bring it to the middle, it's a medium. And you can see on this one, there are somewhere So in this one, it tells you the different BPM, which are the beats per minute. As far as I know, that's what the numbers are. So right now, like it's somewhere in the, give or take, about 120 BPM, give or take, something like that. So right now, that would be about 2 beats every second. 120 beats in a minute, 60 seconds in a minute. 120 is double 60, so double is 2, about 2 beats every second, give or take. Not exactly, but give or take, because I'm estimating where it is right here. And basically, it also tells you on this one what the different labels are. So it says like moderato, allegretto, animato. I'm just trying to think of the more common ones that I've seen. Andantino. Like I said, I don't really. These don't really ring a bell. Allegro, that rings a bell to me. But yeah, it tells you the labels on here. So basically, I've told you how to start the metronome, how to make it go slower, faster, and in between, how to determine the speed. The next thing, and I'll make it go faster so we can sort of hear. The next thing is on the side, there's likely going to be a beat selector. So right now, it's on 2 every second beat. Ding, ding, ding. We're going to go to thirds. Da, 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 da. Now we're going to go to every 4th beat. Okay? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. And then so on and so forth. And what I'm doing is I'm sliding the lever here, basically, to get that beat selector. And I believe at the end is a 0, which means it's not going to ding. And the last thing is this over here. Well, almost the last thing is this over here, which I believe, and you can wind it up. And as far as I know, that's the winder for the dinging sound, as far as I know. But to be honest with you, I'm not even 100% sure about that. That's just to the best of my knowledge. I read the instructions when we got this, but like I said, I already basically knew how to use it. So I was like, okay. And to stop the metronome, you want to take the lever and you want to put it in its holster over here. Now, like I said before, I thought you had to bend it to put it in there, because I remember as a kid, that's what I had to do with my dad's old metronome. I don't know if I was doing it right or wrong, but I believe I had to bend it as a kid, if I remember that correctly, to put it away. But there's actually a slot over here on the side. So to stop it, you slide it in the slot like that. And now it's in its holster, and now it is nice and stopped, which is really, really cool. I'm glad I discovered that before making this video, or while making this video, because like I said, I discovered something new as well. So that's how to use a metronome. I've told you how to start it, how to adjust the speed. I've told you how to change the beat pattern, and I've told you how I believe this is the case, how to wind the dinging sound. And then I've told you how to stop it. That's it. Full tutorial for how to use a metronome. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.